Hello everyone, and welcome to Captain of Industry. I'm super excited for this series. I played just a little bit of it just to get like the controls down and a basic understanding of the game, but I did not make it very far at all. I wanted to do that with you guys. So here we go. We're going to start a new game. And if you like the video, please give it a like. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And with that, let's do the New Haven, because it's a default starting location. And I want to start with this one, and then we'll try the other ones if we can make it that far. So game difficulty. For our first playthrough, let's do Sailor. And then the next maps we can do Captain and Admiral or whatever. Mechanics, I don't want to mess with any of this. And then customization. What should we call this? What should we call this? Thrasha Industry. All right. Let's do this. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Okay, welcome, Captain. Captain, we have found the island we've been searching for. It was not on the map. Our ship took a lot of damage and will need major repairs in order to sail again, but we should be safe here. Besides our initial supplies, we are starting from scratch. We should start manufacturing construction parts to be able to build our infrastructure, grow food to feed our people, and find a way to fuel for our vehicles. Find a way to make fuel for our vehicles. The island looks abandoned, but it has plenty of natural resources that we could use. There are even some abandoned buildings around that we could dismantle for scrap. Also, we should set up a research lab so we can reinvent all the technologies we took for granted for so long. We found out about a settlement nearby we can trade with in case we run out of something. They can deliver the goods to us once we have a trading dock. The entire crew is counting on you after everything we have been through together. Good luck. Sweet. Alright, so our first goal over here on the left is iron production and food production. Let's actually get tree harvesting going first. So let us mark tree harvesting designation, and then we'll just select all these trees here. Get them gone. They're in the way. And then you need some trucks to haul your lumber. Perfect. There they go. Okay. While they're doing that, let's take a look at our resources. So we got iron over here, groundwater, then we got oil. What's this? Sand? Limestone? Is that more groundwater? And is that coal? I think that's coal. And copper. Okay. So for our iron, we need to build a coal maker. So I think we're gonna harvest trees over here first. So let's... where is it? coal maker. It's a somewhere. Coal maker. Let's go ahead and plop it right here. Sure. And then we need a smokestack. Like so. And I'm gonna bring the materials over here. Build this thing up. Alright, so now we need a blast furnace. Where's the blast furnace? Blast furnace. Okay, so the iron goes in on the top. So let's turn it this way. And we'll just put it right here. And then we need 2 metal casters. So let's go like that. And like that. We need a smokestack. And then let's grab our molten channels. And we'll go like that. Beautiful. Okay, while they're building that, let's get rid of that. Let's get our food going. We need a farm. Let's start food. Let's start food right here. There we are. Okay. That's building up. Almost there. Like how they make their own roads. I wonder if there's actual roads later in the game. Not sure. I definitely didn't make it that far if there is. Is that what is what on my will? This? If you're talking about this, then this is not on my oil. So if we go to the resources, my oil is over here. Okay, now we just need to produce iron, and then they should be building the farm. There we go. And we're waiting for potatoes. You guys full? You are full. Is this full? No? Okay, there it goes. Do we have storage yet? No, no. No, we don't. All right, we got a reward. And now, start power production by building a diesel generator. And we need to build a research lab. So let's put the research lab. Now, this is definitely not going to be efficient at all because I don't know what endgame looks like. So let's go ahead and let's put it right there. I might regret that decision later, but that is okay. All right, so they're building the research lab. Diesel generator. Where do we want the diesel generator? Maybe over by our oil? Over here somewhere? Diesel generator. So the input is on the top there. So let's turn it to face. And we'll put it right there. Okay, so they're going to build that too. This is almost done. And we need to build a waste collection and attach it to this. Maybe? Waste collection, there it is. So I feel like it's a bad idea to put it next to the groundwater, and then who wants waste collection next to the food market? Not me. So let's go ahead and put it right here. All right, and then we need a tree. Oh, we got another reward. We finished food production. Perfect. We need a research construction. Start new research. This tree is massive. Look how far this goes. That's huge. So was it construction I was supposed to start? Yes, research construction. Start research. Okay. Now we need to designate a dumping zone for waste. Where do we want our garbage? I saw that somewhere. There it is. We probably want it over here somewhere. We're way out of the way. But then we don't want the garbage trucks driving too far. Also. So I guess we'll build it here. And then F. I'm not sure how tall you're supposed to make this. And then go like this. This might be too big. I don't really know. How do you make it go down? Oops. Did I do it? Oh, look, they're dumping garbage. Look at all that garbage. Already. Collect our reward. All right, we're researching construction. Why are these trucks just chilling here? I don't know. Oh, our forestry is out of stuff to do. So let's give them a couple more trees. Let's get rid of all these. Okay. That research is done. So let's start the research on the trading dock. Trading dock. And we need to build assembly 1. Let's put it... Where's it at? Assembly 1. Let's go ahead and just put it here. Apparently this game has been out for a few years. And I've just discovered it. So far, I'm really enjoying it. Have you guys played this game yet? Do they come with the materials? Select a recipe to produce construction parts. Construction parts. There we go. Waiting for products. Produce 8 construction parts is the next goal. Okay, so we researched trading docks. Is there any other research we want to get started right now? Maintenance. Converts products into maintenance, which is distributed to all machines, buildings, and vehicles that need it. Important, as if there is not enough maintenance, vehicles and machines can break down temporarily. Well, that doesn't sound good. Vehicles and mining. Excavator mining tower to enable mining raw materials. And more trucks to reinforce our logistics. I like the sound of that. Let's get that going. Okay, we need to build the trading dock now. Trading dock. Terrain too low. All right, guess it's going right there. Research maintenance. Well, we're researching vehicles and mining first. If I stop this, will it save the progress? Oh, it does. Okay. Perfect. All right. Oh, we need another assembly to produce mechanical parts. Let's see. Where was that? Here? You are going to produce mechanical parts right there. Looks like that maintenance research is going fast. Look at it make the iron bars. That's so cool. That's good detail in this game. Look at that. It's pouring the iron into the molds. That's so cool. Okay. They didn't finish the trading dock yet. Almost. All right, maintenance is done. Let's start this back up. Build a maintenance depot. Where? Oh, maintenance. Maintenance depot. So we want this close to the mechanical parts, right? Is that a thing? Let's put it on the backside. Purchase concrete slab for iron from the village on the world map. Where's the world map? Trade. World map. Was it concrete slabs we needed? Oh, we can do iron for concrete slab. Okay, I think I did it. Yes, I did. Perfect. Okay. What's storming? It's good for the crops, right? I just need to produce maintenance. It's working on it. Do the trucks have to drive up to this to get fixed, or does it just fix them as they need fixing? It's filling it with material. Okay, there we go. I don't know what are you doing maintenance on? All right, well, maintenance goal is done. Research vehicles and mining. We're already almost done with that. Enable iron recipe that uses iron ore. Oh, it's using iron scraps. Okay. Enable iron recipe. And the blast furnace. I don't see another... Maintenance is a global pool to keep your stuff from breaking. This magically happens. Oh, that's nice. I like that. There it is. Okay, we want this recipe. I guess we could do both. Okay. Build vehicle depot. I think I want that over here. Vehicle depot. Let's put it right there. And we're processing iron, right? Not yet. We need to research beacon. Beacon, start research. Then we need to build another housing settlement. Where's my forestry? You guys done? Hope so, cause you need to clear. You need to clear those trees. Right there. Where are you going? Refueling. Oh. All right. Now he's going to clear those. Where's your trucks? There's a truck. Okay. We need to construct a new small excavator. Pickup truck. Small excavator. And we also need to construct 2 pickups. 1, 2. Build a mine control tower near the iron ore deposit, which is over here. Mine control tower. I don't know the best place to put this. Let's try here. Oh, look at the area. Okay. Okay. I don't know if that's good or bad. So we're waiting for our excavator and pickup trucks to build. We're almost done with the beacon research. And we can put down the housing now that the tree is cleared. Perfect. Build beacon. Beacon. Strong light helps other refugees to find your island and join you. This can help you to get more workers and some extra starting loot. I like loot. Let's put it there. Building the housing. Still working on the excavator. It's almost done. We're not processing ore yet. Oh, there's our excavator. How fast are the pickup trucks? Oh, that's pretty fast. All right, well, let's go over to our mine control. Let's assign the small excavator. Need to build an ore sorting plant. Oh, we have storage now. Ore sorting plant. Let's try there. Oh, one of our trucks is done. It's waiting for our materials to build the next one. Which looks like it's right there. All right, let's get you a pickup. Oh, wait. We need to designate mining area. Like that? Is that one outside of the thing? There we go. We're mining iron. Here's our sorting plant. Add product to sort. Well, we're getting iron. Oh, okay. It's sorting dirt already. Wonderful. We should probably start new research. I could go for a basic diesel. That gives us fuel, right? Yeah, oil pump. Okay. Starting that. Collect our reward. And I think the other pickup truck is done. So let's assign the second truck and collect that reward. We're almost halfway done processing the 24 iron ore that we need. We're already researching the basic diesel. We need to build another assembly to produce construction parts. Well, this one's construction, right? Yeah. Is there a way to move buildings, or do you have to destroy it and then rebuild it? I don't know. We could just set this one as construction parts. And then build one over here. And this will be the maintenance, mechanical parts. That will go right into there. Maybe I should have turned that around. They're already building it. All right, almost done with our iron ore. We need to build a storage unit and assign it to iron. Unit storage. I believe this is our iron output. So let's put it there. I don't know if that's best. We're learning. Okay, we need another one for construction parts. Let's build it there. Because they've created a road here. Dump slag. Yes, hello everyone. If you are just joining, we are playing Captain of Industry. This is my first official playthrough. I played just a test map just to get used to the controls and get the basic understanding of the game. But I really only got nowhere. So here we are. We're doing it together. Okay, so no product design. This needs to be iron. And this one, oh, I could already sign it. Perfect. This one is construction parts. Yeah. Store iron. That'll be done in a second. As well as the construction parts. Will they automatically dump slag? Or do I need to mark somewhere? All right. Almost done storing iron in the unit storage. We haven't dumped any slag. Do we even have slag to dump? Not very much. Basic diesel is complete. Oh, I guess it dumped the slag. Does it go over here? Research basic concrete. Let's get that started. All right, build an oil pump. Well, 2 oil pumps. So let's put on our overlay. Get up nice and close here. And grab the oil pump. Let's does it have to be like all the way in, or like can it be partially like that? All right, well, let's try it there. And we need a second one. Let's leave space for a pipe. We need to connect them to a basic distiller. Basic distiller. Oh, goodness. All right, so we have oil coming in there on the right. Let's put it. Let's put it there. You think it's F to mirror a building? If you want to do that for a second. Oh. So you just hover over it and click F? Oh, it rotates it. Huh. Thank you. Okay, so let's get this connected to here. And need a smokestack right there. Do I want to turn this? I think I'm gonna turn this. Stop building. Take it down. Okay, I want to put the oil on this side actually. We'll try there. Let's grab a pipe connector. You can go in there. You can go in there. Build a liquid dump near the shore and enable a recipe to dump wastewater. Liquid dump. Okay, I want to line it up with that so it's just one straight pipe. Let's go back. Oh. So we need one space from that edge. Right there. Just connect it. Like so. Beautiful. If you know any more handy controls, please enlighten me. All right, so let's collect this reward. And oh, we need to select the recipe for this, right? Yes. Wastewater. Okay. Produce diesel and dump the wastewater. So we just need to wait. Ooh, do we need more trucks? Looks like we need more trucks. Where's our... Right there. Let's build a couple more trucks. Okay. And, oh, these guys aren't harvesting. Well, it says we need limestone next. And I think the limestone was here. Yeah, right there. So let's clear out these trees. We're almost done with the diesel production. We're not researching anything. Let's see. Yeah, let's do ramps for vehicles. I think you can put those over pipes. Okay, diesel is done. Build a fluid storage for diesel and connect it to the distiller. So we need some storage. Storage fluid. Perfect. We can go up with this. Like that. All right, how are they doing on these trees? They're moving right along. I should be able to connect this now, right? All right, so let's move. Let's move that over here. And then let's grab our pipe and connect that up. And then once this is built, we'll destroy that one. Okay, so disable truck import for the new diesel storage. Trucks cannot import cargo. Okay. Oh, that one's done. Perfect. We need to research ship dock repair. Research lab. Ship dock repair right there. Perfect. All right, so we need to establish a limestone mine and start mining limestone. So we're gonna need another mine control. And let's put it there. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good coverage. Now, do we need an ore sorting plant for every mine control? Maybe. Because they're still mining like dirt and stuff, right? Okay. I think I answered my own question. I'll wait to build that. So that means we're going to need another excavator. 2 more trucks. Okay, that is done. So let us destroy that. He's collecting the materials. He's taking them away. You think so? Because you have to select the resource to sort, right? Well, the iron one that we did over there, as soon as they put the materials in, it was already selecting materials to sort. So if we go over here and click on this one, this product is not assigned any output port. Rock? Dirt? Yeah. So when we built this sorting plant, we only selected the iron, and then as soon as the trucks started bringing materials, it put in the dirt and the rocks to sort too. So I don't know. Maybe we'll have to select limestone and then it'll figure out the rest. So that's done. Let's grab our ore sorting plant and go this way. Okay. 39% done on the ship dock repair research. Oh, 43. And how are we doing? Oh, our excavator is done. We're waiting for more materials to build our trucks. So let's go assign our excavator. And then we need to do the mining designation. So let's start from here, and then we'll just go all the way back this way. Do we need a bridge over this? Now they're going all the way around. Let's see where the excavator goes. Okay, maybe it's fine. How are we coming on those trucks? Now it's almost done. New refugees. Okay, that's done. Let's add a truck. And let's select this as limestone. Almost halfway done making this truck. So we're going to have to build another assembly for electronics and another assembly for vehicle parts. What does that entail? Let's click one of these. And we'll go to set recipe. Electronics and vehicle parts. Vehicle parts requires electronics. Okay, so I guess we're going to do electronics first. And mechanical parts. We're already making those. So electronics requires copper and rubber. That's a problem. Because I don't think we're making either one of those things. I think our copper was over here. That looks like copper right there. And then rubber. Oh, there's our vehicle ramp. Loose storage. Dirt, limestone, rock, coal, slag. Potatoes. Waste. You can do waste in these? Wonder if that's better than just a landfill. Because they are filling it up. Alright, so we completed the ship dock repair research. So now we need to repair the shipyard. Shipyard damaged. Repair. 100 construction parts. The shipyard is overloaded with cargo. Well, that's not good. All right, while that's doing that, we need to get our second truck assigned to this. And then we need to build a kiln connected to a rainwater harvester. So where is the kiln? There's the rainwater harvester. Shipyard. Kiln. So we want limestone to go in that way. So let's turn it. Give us some space. We'll go right here. But water needs to go in that bottom right corner too. So what if we went... What if we went here? And then let's grab our rainwater harvester. Let's turn it. Does it fit over here? Terrain too high. I can go right there though. Okay, let's put it there. And let's grab our pipes. And let's go right around that way. Oh, and this looks like it needs a smokestack. There we go. Okay. So the shipyard is repaired. So let us fill the ship with diesel. Is that the input for diesel? All right, so let's go from our diesel storage. And we'll come down this way. Wait. Let's follow this pipe. We'll come down this way. And then where do I need to turn? Somewhere in here. So let's just turn right there. And we'll go down this way. And this way. Like so. All right, so once that pipe is done, it should start filling the ship with diesel. And then they're working on, okay, they built the kiln. They're almost done with the rainwater. We got some more. Oh, they want to pause the beacon to reduce the rate of refugees. Pause. There we go. Oh, we got our rainwater harvester. Are we researching anything? No, we're not. We're gonna need copper and we're gonna need rubber to make electronics. So let's just start with copper. We'll get that going. And this is making concrete slabs. Okay, we got dirt in here to sort. So we need a port for that. There we go. Oh, we need coal. Is one of these trucks bringing coal? Or are you bringing coal? Hey, you have coal. Okay, so we might need... Where did that, where'd it go? Not a diesel generator. None of those. Storage. Coal maker. That's what I was thinking of. Let's turn this and put it right there. And I think it needed a smokestack, right? Smokestack. Right there. And we are done with concrete production. Look at our industry. Hopefully it's efficient. It's probably not. We'll get there though. You guys having an XP war in the chat? All right, well, with that, we are going to end it here. Now that we got our concrete up and running, so we got our concrete, we got our iron. We're in the process of getting our ship back on the seas. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day or night, whatever it may be for you. And I'll see you in the next one.